Hey there, investors. Welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to make smarter, more informed decisions about your portfolio in 2025, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into one of the hottest investment vehicles, exchange-traded funds, or ETFs. We'll break down exactly what they are, how they work, and most importantly, what are some of the best ETFs to consider investing in for 2025. Let's get started. Alright, so what exactly is an ETF? In simple terms, an exchange-traded fund, or ETF, is a type of investment fund that holds a collection of assets like stocks, bonds, commodities, or even cryptocurrencies. The big difference between ETFs and mutual funds is that ETFs trade on an exchange like a stock, meaning you can buy and sell shares throughout the day at market prices. Also, ETFs generally have lower fees compared to mutual funds because they're passively managed, meaning they track a particular index or sector without requiring much active management. That translates to lower management fees, which means more of your money stays invested, working for you. The beauty of ETFs is that they allow you to diversify your portfolio without having to pick individual stocks or assets. For example, a technology-focused ETF might include top names like Apple, Microsoft, and Google, giving you exposure to the entire sector without the need to own each stock individually, making it a more convenient option for many investors. Finally, ETFs provide liquidity, transparency, and tax efficiency, all of which make them an appealing option for both novice and experienced investors. Now that we know what ETFs are and why they're a good investment, let's talk about what to look for when selecting the right ones for your portfolio. Here are 3 key factors to consider. 1. Expense ratio. This is the fee you'll pay to invest in an ETF, usually expressed as a percentage. Look for ETFs with lower expense ratios to maximize returns over time. Anything under 0.1% is considered very low. 2. Performance history. While past performance isn't an indicator of future results, it does help you gauge how the ETF has weathered different market conditions. 3. Sector or asset focus. ETFs can focus on various sectors, asset classes, or investment strategies. Whether you're interested in technology, healthcare, or sustainable investing, make sure the ETF aligns with your goals. Now, let's dive into the best ETFs to consider for 2025. Based on expert opinions, market trends, and growth potential. These picks are aimed at both long-term growth and diversifying your portfolio. 1. SPDR S&P 500 ETF Trust. This is one of the most popular ETFs, tracking the S&P 500. It provides exposure to 500 of the largest U.S. companies, which have historically outperformed over the long term. It's a solid, low-risk option for any investor looking to track the overall U.S. market. 2. Vanguard Total Stock Market ETF. VTI offers exposure to the entire U.S. stock market, including large, mid, and small-cap stocks. It's a great choice for those looking for comprehensive exposure to American equities. With its low expense ratio and diversification, it's perfect for long-term investors. 3. iShares MSCI Emerging Markets ETF. EM for those looking to tap into higher growth potential. The EM focuses on emerging markets like China, India, and Brazil. These countries have seen explosive growth in recent years, and while they come with more volatility, they also offer the potential for higher returns as their economies continue to develop. 4. ARK Innovation ETF. ARKK, if you're looking for a more aggressive, future-focused ETF, the ARKK may be right for you. This ETF, managed by ARK Invest, focuses on high-growth companies in fields like biotechnology, robotics, artificial intelligence, and electric vehicles. While riskier, it has the potential for significant returns as these industries evolve. 5. iShares Global Clean Energy ETF. ICLN Sustainable Investing is another trend to consider, and the ICLN is an excellent choice. This ETF invests in global companies in the clean energy sector, including solar, wind, and other renewable sources. As the world shifts toward green energy solutions, this ETF stands to benefit from long-term growth in environmental sectors. So, there you have it. ETFs offer a fantastic way to diversify, minimize risk, and target specific sectors or markets. Whether you're looking for exposure to US stocks or you want to explore emerging markets and sustainable investing, there's an ETF for every strategy in 2025. As always, remember to do your research, keep your risk tolerance in mind, and make sure your investments align with your overall financial goals. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more investing insights, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Drop a comment below if you have any questions, or if there's another ETF you're keeping an eye on for 2025. I'm happy to share with you I'm a popular investor on eToro with an average annual return of 40%. Feel free to copy or follow my trades there. The link to do it is in the description box below. Thanks for watching and happy investing!